Welcome back! In this video, I will be making a resin Focus on Joy energy core. I will be using some gemstones and crystals and explaining their healing properties along the way. I picked these ingredients specifically to help dispel tension and anxiety and to fill the voids with joy and love. To start, I will be adding a howlite bead to some copper wire. Howlite is a calming stone and helps to eliminate rage, pain, and stress, and encourages patience and calm. The copper wire is used to help transfer, direct, and amplify energy. Using some jewelry round and flat pliers, I slowly turn the end of the copper wire to create a decorative spiral. After I put the bead on the wire, I will repeat for the other end. I will list all items I am using in the description box below. Please let me know if you have any questions along the way by leaving a message in the comment box below. Now that I have my decorative bead created, I will add a small amount of resin into my pyramid mold. Using a gloved hand, I am positioning the bead into the mold. I will let this first layer cure for a few hours until it is gelled and firm. Now, in a small bowl, I am mixing some gold leaf flakes with resin, and then I will pour a small amount to cover the first layer. I will let this layer cure and harden overnight. Gold leaf flakes are used to alleviate tension and stress and to amplify positive feelings. This is starting to look good so far. For this next layer, I will start by adding a very small amount of resin. Using my stir stick, I will gently push the resin to make sure that it is in the corners, and then I'll start placing small rose quartz beads to create this next layer. Rose quartz is used to purify and open the heart. It improves mental and physical energy, and it can help you feel peace and calm. Once I get the rose quartz beads in place, I will add another layer with the gold leaf flakes and let this cure for 12 hours. For the next layer, I will add a small amount of resin and start placing amethyst stones into the mold. Amethyst is used for soothing the mind, body, and soul. It will calm you right down and bring peace, healing, and serenity into your world. I am using my stir stick to ensure the resin gets into the corners, and then I will add another layer of gold leaf flakes. Gold leaf flakes can be a little tricky to work with. It is best to work a little bit at a time and then use a stir stick to help break them up with the resin. I will let this layer cure for 12 hours. Using my stir stick, I am making sure that the layer cured hard before placing the copper sticker on the bottom. This copper sticker will help ground any energies and complete our energy core. Adding a little resin on top of the sticker will seal it in. I will let this cure 24 hours before I demold it. Demolding this pyramid is pretty easy. Once I get my fingers in place to open up the sides, it just pops right out. Look how amazing this looks. I love all the layers, and I love knowing what all the ingredients do. Thank you for creating this project with me. Please let me know what you think in the comment box below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!